this is the middle part of when we're going to be doing this drill screwdriver rack. So what we've done is, this is the finished one. What we're actually looking for is a finished result like this. So what I've done with this one is I've marked all my holes out, center punched them all up. I've folded it. So what I want to do now is drill it. So what we're going to do, we'll put this bit of pine into the vise, tighten it up. This now becomes our drilling point where we can do our drilling. So the first thing I'm going to do is put in, and we also have a drill rack here, right, which goes and shows you which size drills you need. So what we can do is we work out what size drill. If it says it's a 12mm or 6mm, whatever, and all that, we can go along, find out what size, because sometimes you can't read them because they've been used. So I'll come along, that one's a bit tight, that one's okay, and that says it's a 9.3mm drill, okay? All right, that's what a drill gauge is used for. One of your exercises is you're actually going to build one of these up. So we're going to make one of these up as one of the templates as well, okay? All right, so first thing I do is anything that's hanging around my neck I can get caught, put away. I grab my battery drill. Now we have two settings on a battery drill. We have high speed, and we have low speed. What we need to do is just use low speed. We're not going to be in any competition to drill fast, because as it grabs, we don't want it flicking around. So we put, this is what we call a keyless chuck. So wind it up, put it in, a little bit slower. All right, make sure our wood's tight. So we come down, we start drilling our hole. All right, see how it pulls up. So what the problem is there, we've got something we can pull up. I need to fix that up. So if I come and grab small little device that we got here, we grab that. All right, put this on the thing, put this in here. Now we have something, so when I drill the next hole, there we go, it doesn't spring up. So I keep going through, drill all my holes, okay, drill the next one. Alright, so that there, the centre pops have been put backwards, not my fault, but anyway, what I'll do, we centre pop that down, so we grab it. You have a look over here at the actual board we've got rulers. This is our scribe we marked with before. This is my centre pop. Alright, we have our squares as well, hammers. So I can pick a claw hammer up, which is okay. We have vice grips, so those other things to hold down. Nibblers, I'll go through the board a little bit more later. So I come around here, we have our files. I've got an engineer's hammer, which has got the flat point, nice for what I'm going to do. So we come back, and we just remark our holes, okay. All right, redrill my hole, show me. Right. So when I have to do a bigger hole, let's watch this. I take the drill out, I get me larger, and when you get a bigger drill, the bigger it is, the slower you need to go. You don't want it cutting too fast. So for example, I need to cut the wheel. I'm just going to take this line, and cut there, it goes through, and then we have our hole. Alright? So this, as I said, the finished product you should have is one set of holes across the back, smaller set across the front. Okay? Finished product, make sure it's all square. That's a little bit more of an angle, so what we can do, put that back out, stretch it to make sure it's straight, and there we are, it's all square. So that's the finished product, all right? Not a problem. The next part you need to go to is making sure there's no sharp corners on here, which we have got. File it up a little bit with a file, make sure it's clean, and that's all we have to do, okay? No worries, I'll talk to you in the next video.